What's up everybody, my name is Super Geek and this is Windows 11 running on a virtual machine. Today I was gonna delete this virtual machine, but then I thought why not give this machine a proper last salute. And my last salute for this virtual machine is this video, where I'm going to delete the System32 files while this virtual machine is still running. So this is Windows 11. This is the most recent build. Let me show you that. Settings. So as you can see, it's the most latest build. It is the latest build, and I'm going to show you that this is actually Windows 11. See, this is Windows 11. This is not some knockoff or anything, and this is the System32 folder. See, so what I'm going to do is Control A, Shift Delete, and there you go. So there are about 4,532 items. So that includes folders. That does not include the files inside the folder. So there are 4,532 files, and I'm going to delete them. And while they're discovering, let me see how many files there are. Try again. Okay, so there are about 18,000 files, which is 3.57 gigs. And let's see how many of them gets deleted. Actually, I know because not every file is gonna delete, because system is still running and they're using those files. Not every file is going to delete, but let's see how many files will get deleted and how it will affect Windows 11. So there you go, deletion has been started, and 16,000, 15,000, 1,000 more, 1,000 more, 14,000 left, and it's still going on. 14,000. Okay, so let's see, try again. Let's skip this one. Try again. Okay, skip. All right, how many? All right, so I think they're skipping. They're not actually deleting these files. I think they're just skipping. Files are not deleting right now. I think they're just skipping. But yeah, they're just skipping because the speed, as you can see, the speed is really high. So some of the files got deleted. Let me see how many files there are. Yeah, there are a lot of files, but let me see how many files there are. Properties. So there are 11,759 files right now. So before deletion there was about 18,000 files, but now there are only 11,000 something files remaining. But the machine is running, I think, okay, I guess. Let's do something. Close this. Refresh. It's going okay right now. Oh, File Explorer. There's not even a stutter or even freeze in any operation, opening and closing. Yep, everything is working perfectly fine. Let's open apps. Settings. They're going perfectly good. They're perfectly fine. The machine is running perfectly fine. Let's open Paint. Paint has opened. Okay, so what should we do then? System32. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign out, and let's see if that does anything. Signed out. Let's sign in. Alright, smooth as new. Not even a freeze, not even a stutter. Machine is running perfectly fine. I don't see any anomaly or anything. There's not even an error message about anything at all. Everything is working perfectly fine. Now what I'm going to try is open some files, open some apps, mail, Edge. Almost everything is working perfectly fine. Even the including features like widgets and start menu. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to restart my PC and let's see what happens. So sorry guys, I skipped the recording, but I've got 2 BSOD and this is the third reboot, and it's going to diagnose PC. It's going to this diagnosing PC thing, and now it's on to automatic repair. Now let's see what we can do. System restore. Let's see if system restore can do anything. Okay, I don't have any system restore point, so let's try to reset this PC. Keep my files, local install. Alright, so I'm trying to reset this PC and it looks like something is going on. Let's see what's okay. Let's reset it. And alright, resetting has been started, so hope it works. Okay, so after 80% it's undoing changes and it throw me back to this screen, this troubleshooting screen. Let's continue. Let's see what happens. I'm going to reboot the PC once more. This. Alright, let's see what's happening. Okay, so we're back to BSOD and the cycle will continue. So I don't think there's any more reason to do that, more restarting, because it will take me to the troubleshooting screen. So that's it for this video, and make sure not to try this at your home, on your machine or your computer or anything. Alright, do not delete system32 folder accidentally. I know it's not gonna happen, it's very unlikely, but do not delete it. Alright, so that's it for now guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.